Go see. Go see a present. Go on. It's over in the other room. Go see. Over here.
What is that? What is that? Is that a bike? Yay! Do you want to ride it?
Get on.
Yeah.
Get on it. Go ahead. Get on it.
Mommy will help you.
Here. You want to get on it? Ready? There you go. And you can ride around. Yay! Yay! Come here. Ready? Go on. Go to Daddy.
Come here. Yay!
Go on.
Come here. Whoa. Do you like it?
You like it? You say thank you?
Can you say thank you? Oh.
Do you like it? Want to get back on? Get back on. There you go. All right. Want to turn it? And let's go this way. Okay, ready? Go. Go. Whoa. And bow. I thought it was going to be bigger.